Here we have a set of our T-710As. The stock one on the left hand side is 24 pound. The one on the right is 42 pounds. As you can tell, you can see the differences in how much of flows are in the tubes themselves. We do these all the way up to 80 pounds for the stock, all the way up to the high performance, which is the T-710As. Here we have our stock T-710A, which is on the left hand side, which is 24 pound, and our one on the right is our 42 pound fuel injector. What we do here is we take them from 0 RPMs all the way to 8,000 RPMs to make sure that we guarantee every 1,000 increment of RPMs is dead set on what they're supposed to be, and that they're both flow matched. Our whole idea is to make sure everything is precise and right on where they're supposed to be for all of our fuel injectors that we remanufacture here at TLF Performance Parts. Here we have our T-710A, which the stock one is 24 pounds, and this one here, the high performance, is 42 pounds. We build these all the way up to 90 pounds. So as you can tell, they both look identical, and the only difference is the flows. The one flows at 24, the other one 42, and as you can tell by our videos that we have here, we make sure that every fuel injector is quality tested and assured that they're going to flow with the flow sheets that come with them and flow match, that they are what they say they are.